What's going on, everybody? How are you doing tonight? Let me pause my music. So I am going to be doing a time lapse today. Let's see. I don't got many blocks, guys, okay, here. Let's see if I can get a boat built in about a couple minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put, I'll put music at the end of the video. Because that's how you do it. But, yeah. Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. I am going to be putting a time lapse to see how I can make my boat. So I'm going to start it now. Let me turn off the sound for you guys real quick. Go to settings and you go to 1. And then you're going to go 1. Alright guys, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe this is gonna be the end of this video. Because my minutes are almost up on video recording right now, and I'm gonna get the floor done, and then this video will be ended. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell for updates. I hope you guys have a good night. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So wait 1 minute, and like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be an episode 2. Bye bye.